This is Jessica with Construction Industries Division, and we have an exciting update to our electrical inspection process. Inspections are still handled the same way. However, the choice of inspections has been reduced in order to make your job easier. Electrical inspections have been narrowed down to 7, and solar inspections have been reduced to 3. These are the electrical inspections, and these are the solar. The biggest change is the way the rough-in inspections are handled. The type of rough-in will need to be indicated on the message to the inspector. So on solar inspections, the solar rough-in is also your utility authorization. On electrical inspections, the rough-in will encompass several different types of inspections. They include UFR or concrete encased electrode, pool shell bonding, deck bonding, residential rough-in, pocket roof, partial rough-in for commercial projects only, and we need to specify the area that's needed to be inspected. Low voltage systems, which may include TVs, phones, CCTV, fire alarm, security system, speakers, etc. Special systems may include TV, phones, CCTV, fire alarm, security system, speakers, etc. Please make sure that you specify the low voltage system to be inspected. And how you would do that is you would do it here under inspection information, and you would put low voltage, TV. And then you would simply click submit. If this was a pocket roof, you would indicate it here in the notes. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your local CID office. Thank you so much.